Hi everyone, I'm Suk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to enable auto-download Audible books on Kindle. This feature automatically downloads your Audible titles so you can start listening without the hassle of manual downloads. So let's get started on how to enable auto-download Audible books on Kindle. First, open Amazon Kindle app on your device. Tap on the More option from bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the Settings option from the list. Here, in the Download and Sync section, you can see the Auto Download Audible Books option. Tap on the toggle switch next to this option to turn it on. And this is how you can enable Auto Download Audible Books on Kindle. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.